Bonjour à tous et bienvenue to my channel Love French Guru. To help you build your vocabulary, I am launching a series of videos based on different subjects comme le supermarché, les animaux, la maison, la famille, etc. and the objects associated with each subject. Our first series will be based upon the supermarket. As you know, in our French language, every subject has a gender which is prefixed as le, la, le, and l apostrophe. Now, let's go to a supermarket. This supermarket is divided into a plethora of sections. In this video, we'll learn how to pronounce these sections in French. Donc, on commence. The first is les légumes. Les légumes, which means vegetables. Prochain, les fruits. Les fruits, which means fruits. The next, les provisions. Les provisions, which means groceries. Prochain, les vêtements. Les vêtements, which means clothing. Cinquième, l'ameublement. L'ameublement, which means home furnishings. The next, la vaisselle. La vaisselle, which means kitchenware. Septième, les produits d'entretien. Les produits d'entretien, which means household products. Huitième, l'électroménager. L'électroménager, which means electrical goods. The next is la papeterie. La papeterie, which means stationery. And the last is les jouets. Les jouets, which means toys. So, these were some sections that we see in a supermarket. Now, before ending this session, let's have a quick recap of what we learned today. Les légumes, les fruits, les provisions, les vêtements, l'ameublement, la vaisselle, les produits d'entretien, l'électroménager, la papeterie, les jouets. I hope you like this video and we will meet very soon in our next video in which we will learn about different products in each section. But don't forget to like, subscribe and share to stay tuned for more interesting videos. Till then, au revoir et bonne journée.